looks like the Ultraboost 19s are the only ones excluded, but it's still 108 though. Some humans, oh, it's human races? Damn, the Harden Volume 4 is going for 65. That's crazy. $63. I mean, these are $63? They got the Arizona Iced Tea version. Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. These were released in New York a while back. That's crazy. These are going for $20. What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We're out in Orange, California. Had a couple videos from here. Yeah, we're gonna head up in Adidas Outlet, you guys. Let's go see what's up. I think it's 50% off though, the entire store, just like the last time. So let's see if we find something. 50% off the whole store, you guys. See if we cop something. Get something. Yeah, man. Pretty decent size. Yeah. Compared to the Nike outlet, this place is dead. But yeah. All the Ultraboost, $90, man. All the Ultraboost. I don't know which version this is, a V2, V1, I don't know. But yeah, $90, dude. $90, that's what's up. Ultraboost 19s, going for 108. Not bad, not bad. These Sense Boost. I bought these for my girl's pops, and he loves them. Going for $60. $60. They seem very close to the Pure Boost Goes from way back when. Way back when, meaning like a year ago. But yeah, $60, man. Full length Boost. Fat stack too. Look at that fat stack of Boost. Looks pretty comfortable. Hey, those of you soccer fans, I have no clue what team this is. But man, 50% off. That's what's up. That's what's up. $90 to 45, man. That's what's up. We got all kinds of night joggers, man. $50, dude. $50. It's not bad. 9 to 13, dude. Size 9 through 13. 7.5 through 13. That's what's up. More night joggers. He's going for a little bit more, though. 65. 65. 65. All right, so it says 50% off store-wide, but looks like the Ultraboost 19s are the only ones excluded, but it's still 108, though. 108. Still not bad. Not bad. 108. 108. Same price. Same price. Look at how many colorways they got, man. That's crazy. Still going, more colorways. I think this is not an Ultraboost. Oh yeah, it's on the bottom. Oh, okay. So this looks like this is going for 50% off. Go for $90. That's what's up. This is like I think one of my favorite colors. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. From 9 all the way to 13. Got a few sizes left. Dang, they got a lot of stuff here, you guys. A lot of stuff. Did we see this one earlier? I don't know. Cool. 180 going for 50% off. Is this going for 50% off too? Cause look, that means these Ultraboosts are $50. Get out of here! There's no way. There's no way these are going for $50. Man, if they have decent size, I would totally try to see if that's what's up. That's what's up, man. Sense Boost go for $40, man. $40, dude. Going for 90, the Ultraboost Uncaged. Sense Boost Winters, these are like the Shield equivalents, Nike Shield equivalents, go for $40 with that upper that's water resistant. Alpha Boost, 65. Some humans, oh, so it's human races? But yeah, going for what? What did this go for? 75 $75. More colors, 75. More colors, 75. Not Alpha Boost going for 65. More 65. Man, this is like a brand new silhouette too. Not brand new, but only been out for, I don't know, only been out for like what, 4 or 5 months? Damn, that's crazy. Gotta check out the clearance section. Not really much though. Not really much. I really don't see any Boost whatsoever. Size 11, but the Superstars are all 50% off here anyways. Yeah, let's go look around some more. $150 for some Superstars. These are the 80s Recon. What is it, like a old school, like a specific one? What the hell? Who pays $150 for? Who the hell pays $150 for Superstars? What's going on here? Size 13 Marathons. I don't know how much these are going for, but you could always pick these up for a steal here. Full length Zoom, super comfy. All right, a lot of the stuff in the clearance section, they already have them in the aisle, so go search through the aisle some more. Some of the old school Continental 80s. Going for what, 40 bucks? That's a solid deal, 40 bucks. 40 bucks, man, not bad. 40 bucks for those as well. All white colorway with like some cream on it. I guess it can't be all white, what an idiot. More night joggers going for 50. Another colorway with the night joggers, okay, not bad, 50 bucks. These are called the rivalries. No clue these are. It's like an old school meets new school, like old school upper, boost bottom, not bad. 45. All right, let's go check out the women's section. Don't forget to press that like button, you guys. Don't forget to press that like button. Got some Dawn issue 1s. This is like the Marvel colorway, right? I don't remember which Marvel, but yeah. Go for 50 bucks. Damn, the Harden Volume 4 is going for 65. That's crazy. That's crazy, guys. Another colorway of the Harden Volume 4, 65 bucks, man. That's what's up for a signature shoe. I'm not a huge fan of those, but I'm sure there are plenty of people that are. Man, that's a solid price. Bunch of colorways of the Ultraboost 119 for the women as well. Going for 108. 108. Same thing. Same thing. These are, oh yeah, these are 108 as well. Sub them out. 108 as well. More, and the last ones. Oh, snap. Snap, they got more. What the heck? They just keep going. It's the biggest selection of Ultraboost I've ever seen in my life. Damn. 2019 still. Still 108. Yep, still. Officially the last one. That's crazy. That's the craziest selection of 2019s. All going for 108. That's nuts. These are 126. 126. And then it says 50% off. So does that mean these are $68? Damn, that's crazy, you guys. That's crazy. By $68, I mean $58. What the hell? Am I retarded? $63. I mean, these are $63? That's crazy. Crazy. 90 for these old schools. 90 for these old school Ultraboost. Those as well. Those are solid prices too. Game of Thrones, same price. 90 bucks. Yeah, I don't know if these are marked wrong or what, but that's just crazy. 63 bucks, man. That's definitely the cheapest we've ever seen the Ultraboost. I bought one for 80, but wow, this is even cheaper. That's nuts. That is nuts. Kind of the same thing as the guys section, you guys. Oh, kind of the same thing as the guys section. The night joggers, a bunch of different colorways of that. I got some Ultraboost multicolors. Those bad boys. Oh, this is a kid size. Must be a kid size. Dang, the women's section is significantly smaller than the guys. Yeah, kind of the same thing. Continentals, going for 40 something dollars, $42. These, oh wow, these are going for 30. These Continentals go for 30 in the women's, not bad. More for 30. They got the Arizona Iced Tea version. Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. These were released in New York a while back. That's crazy. These are going for $20. $20 freaking dollars, you guys. That's crazy. That's crazy. 50% off of that. These are going for 30, dude. Adidas is giving away sneakers, man. Giving away shoes. Continentals, man. That's crazy. 20 bucks. 20 freaking dollars, man. Just giving them away. Is that bad, Adidas? Is that bad? That's crazy. In the women's section, got the Sambas, man. Go for 70 bucks with that gum outsole. Get like an inch and a half of lift too. 35 bucks, man. That's not bad. 35 for those bad boys. Patent leathers going for 40. Last ones, man. 35 bucks, man. Got some steals here. Steals on a bunch of the old school stuff. Gonna wrap it up. Was gonna get this for my niece, but I think that's just too much flavor, too much wildness for her. So they're gonna wrap it up. 20 bucks, man. 20 bucks. Man, if they had my size, I would totally cop that. They're never gonna have that in your size with your big old 13s. Women's, women's, like a women's 14 and a half. They don't even make that. But yeah, I guess that's about it, you guys. That's about it. We're gonna wrap it up. We'll grab some grub. Been a long day so far. It's been a long day. It's only what, 2 o'clock. It's already been a long day. Yeah, let's go wrap it up, you guys. All right, thanks for watching, you guys. It's your boy Cool Kicks. Thanks for watching. Yeah, that's the Adidas Outlet, man. They actually had heat there. They actually had all that heat, man. Those Arizona Iced Teas, those were kind of decent. If they had my size, I probably would have copped, to be really honest. But they're women's shoes. They only have size 8s. And then yeah, the Ultraboost sales, man. The Ultraboost sales were crazy. They had that one in the women's section go for like $62 or something. That was nuts. That was crazy, guys. But yeah, if you guys like this video, go ahead and make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you press that thumbs up button, or whatever the hell it is. And yeah, make sure you guys subscribe if you're new to my channel. Make sure you subscribe. And yeah, thanks for all of you guys that support. Appreciate you guys supporting. Yeah, see you in the next one, you guys. Peace.